Done! And now we need to fuel the dump truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. We need to wash the dump truck. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a truck. Done! Let's load tiles in the truck. We did it! Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. Let's weld a crack on the truck. We did it! And now let's grind the seam. You're doing really great. Choose the same color as in the cloud to... Done! We need to assemble the dray scene. You're doing really great. Now let's load the rails onto the dray scene. Don't stop. Let's lay the rails and fix them. Let's wash the dray scene. Hooray! Let's assemble the minecart. Don't stop. Let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. Don't stop. Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. We need to wash the minecart. Amazing! Let's assemble a pile driver. We did it! Let's fuel the pile driver. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's hammer piles for the station building. Let's wash the pile driver. That's all. We need to assemble the flat car. We did it! Now let's load the boards onto the flat car. That's all. Let's make wooden decking for the platform. We need to fix a crack on the flat car. We did it! And now let's grind the seam. Keep up the good work. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint. Amazing! Let's assemble the open wagon. Done! Now let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. Don't stop! Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. Let's wash the open wagon. Keep it up. Let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop! Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Keep it up. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. We need to fix a crack on the crane with keep it up. And now let's grind the seam. Don't stop. Look at the cloud and choose the hooray! Let's assemble the crane. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. Ready. Let's complete the construction of the building. We need to wash the crane. Hooray! Let's assemble a container car. Hooray! Let's load the container car. We did it! Let's add decorative elements to the facade. Let's weld a crack on the container. Keep it up. And now let's grind the seam. Ready. Look at the cloud and choose the spray gun cap of the same color. Ready. We need to assemble the glass transporting car. Keep up the good work. Let's load the windows and doors into the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. We need to wash the glass transporting car. Ready. Let's assemble a technical car. Don't stop. Let's load the equipment into the technical car. Don't stop. Let's arrange the station area. We need to fix a crack on the technical car. You're doing really great. Let's grind the welding seam. Don't stop. Choose the same color as in the You're doing really great. We need to assemble the locomotive. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the locomotive. Pump. Done! Let's inspect the locomotive before it leaves for the journey. Let's wash the locomotive. Done! Let's load the mail car. Done! Let's load the necessary items into the car. We need to wash the mail car. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble the train. Go on. Ready. The train is ready. Now passengers can go on a journey. Well done! The construction of the railroad and train station is complete. Now it's ready for traveling and transporting goods.